6:11 now. Have I got the place for you?
What's that?
Spiller Farm in
Oh, yeah.
Wells. Fresh apple cider donuts.
Well, you know me.
Had them
good.
yesterday. Oh,
Terry and I could take
they're
down a
so
dozen.
good.
Easy.
Amazing.
Each.
Oh, all right. Let's talk about what's going on. Right
Now you got donuts on the brain.
Kennebunk right now, Gooch's Beach.
After work.
Yeah. Maybe there's a delivery coming. All right, so here's a look at our winds starting to pick up right now out of the southeast, and we're at 10 to 15 mile an hour winds sustained, but we're going to start to see gusts getting up to about 20 to 30 here, and eventually 30 to maybe 40 miles an hour at the coastline today. Right now it's warm. It's almost 60 in Portsmouth and Wiscasset, mid-50s elsewhere. Here's a look at our radar. You can see the rain now just getting into southern New Hampshire. Starting to see a couple little breakaway showers, so we can't rule out a few showers just to start off today, but the heaviest of rain with the front will be moving in as we head into the mid to late morning hours. Let's go through our 12-hour forecast today for the bus stop. The morning actually looks pretty mild and cloudy, but make sure the kids have something for rain because at recess, it's probably indoor recess, but heavy downpours, 58 degrees, very windy. And after school, that's when they need the rain gear because when they get off the bus, it's going to be rainy and windy with winds gusting to maybe 40 miles an hour with that rain. So kind of a sideways rain. So high temperatures today coming in around 64 in Brunswick and Scarborough and Gorham, 62 Windham, 64 in Sanford and Portsmouth, and 57 in Rangeley. Here's a look at our 8-day forecast now. Today we're looking at 61 degrees. Let's go ahead and track it hour by hour. Rain coming in around 9, 10 o'clock. And then by 11 o'clock, we're looking at pounding rain. This is great news for the area that really needs rain. There could be some embedded thunderstorms in this. And if you get a thunderstorm, you'll get the more heavier rain and maybe even gustier winds. But eventually that front makes its way, and then by 3, 4 o'clock, it's in mid-coast and Augusta areas, and then it's out of here. A couple of random showers north in the evening hours, but most of the area does clear out after 6 o'clock today. It will dry out, and it's good news because a lot of that gets absorbed into the ground. It takes a day to recover. And then another shot at rain, which is perfect. We're looking at around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, the rain starting, and around 8 o'clock, steady rain. This is good rain to really kind of soak into the ground. And it looks like there's going to be scattered showers throughout the day, too, and into the evening hours on Wednesday, which is great news for 2 shots of rain this week. And then it looks sunny on Thursday at 61 degrees. You can see the winds today. They're going to pick up around south-southeast winds around 10 o'clock to 36 miles an hour, especially in mid-coast areas, Casco Bay, and as we head toward the inland areas, you're still going to have gusts up to maybe 30 miles an hour, but we're looking close to 40. You see this area in orange and red? That's 40 mile an hour wind gusts from Biddeford, Saco, Old Orchard, especially Biddeford Pool and Cape Elizabeth areas and out toward Harpswell. And you get toward 5 o'clock, it's still quite windy, and the winds will settle as we go through the overnight. So lows tonight will be a little cooler into the mid to upper 40s. Tomorrow with some sunshine trying to break through the clouds in the mid 60s, and that will be good to kind of, again, soak up that rain a little bit. And then we'll have that next chance for rain on Wednesday. So 2 impact days because of rain, but today's rain and wind. You can see that as we go beyond the rain on Wednesday, it does look like another dry stretch, a very fall feel into the weekend.
All right, Ted, thank you. Time right now is 6:14. About to give you a live